Welcome to a new and critical section on data handling, using Pydantic for data validation. In modern Python applications, data comes from external sources like APIs, JSON files, or forms. Ensuring this data is accurate and fits a predefined structure is paramount. Pydantic is the leading library for achieving robust data validation and settings management. 1. The need for data validation. When you receive data, say a user registration form, you must ensure the age is an integer, the email is a valid format, and the name is present. Without validation, incorrect data can crash your application or corrupt your database. Pydantic automatically performs these checks when data is loaded into a Pydantic model. 2. What is Pydantic? Pydantic is a library that uses Python type annotations to enforce data shape. It offers runtime type checking, meaning it validates the data when you create an object, not just when you define the class. It automatically converts data types where possible, like turning the string 10 into the integer 10, and raises clear errors when validation fails. 3. Pydantic models and type hinting. The foundation of Pydantic is the model, which is a class that inherits from base model. Inside this class, we define fields using standard Python type hints, str, int, bool, and so on. This simple definition tells Pydantic exactly what structure the data must have and what types are expected. Pydantic then enforces these types automatically. To summarize, Pydantic makes data validation clean and Pythonic. Our next lecture 42.02, Setup Project. See you there.